Packaged water, from glass/plastic to Gable top cartons. Packaging water, what are the differences between glass/plastic and Gable top carton? How do logistics and processes change? We've got all the answers here. All over the world, bottled water manufacturers used to packaging water in glass or plastic are increasingly choosing to integrate their production with a line for water and paper cartons. As manufacturers of packaging systems and lines, we've had the privilege of assisting a number of customers in the transition to Gable top carton, including Fonte Margherita, first packaged water in Italy, Thioni, first Gable top water in Greece, and Metropolitana Milanese. This is also thanks to the consulting services for water manufacturers provided by the specialists at Feel Good, our in-house startup. In this article, we share some basic facts about carton water, highlighting the differences from glass and plastic in terms of packaging materials and processing systems. Consumer perception. In many countries, the introduction of water and paper cartons in the market has been met with interest, generating positive feedback. This is in part because Gable top carton has always been associated with wholesomeness and premium products, and is also perceived by consumers as a low-impact and sustainable packaging. Gable top cartons are also visually appealing on shelf. Furthermore, the large printable area allows you to explain in detail the reasons for choosing new sustainable packaging solutions, giving you valuable billboard space for brand messaging. Packaging plant. Compared to glass or plastic, the capacity of a Gable top packaging line for water and paper cartons ranges from 3,000 to 6,500 cartons/hour. The line is compact in size and can complement your bottling plant, enabling you to diversify your offering with a new package made of recyclable packaging materials. The same Gable top filling machine performs operations that would require different machines in a glass or plastic packaging plant, e.g. for rinsing, in the case of glass, bottle blowing, filling, and labeling. In other words, a single machine delivers a finished, ready-to-ship product. Besides requiring a smaller investment and reduced floor space, you can also rely on a single supplier. Gable offers full support during the process of designing and manufacturing your Gable top packaging line for water, thanks to our team of pack services, including their plant layout expertise, and the expert consultancy in the areas of packaging development and microbiological analysis provided by Feel Good. Transport and logistics. Gable top cartons are unbreakable, making it an ideal application for the vending, retail, and catering markets. Light for transport. Square, an optimal shape for secondary packaging and palletizing, they take up less volume versus plastic bottles for the same weight. Both primary and secondary packaging are made from renewable materials, promoting both consistent packaging sourcing and brand image. By its very nature, Gable top carton requires different transport, secondary packaging, and palletizing solutions. For end-of-line packaging, wraparound and shrink wrapping machines are used. With their long experience in the industry, Gable and our team of PAC can support customers in creating optimal palletizing patterns based on specific transportation and distribution requirements for carton water. Organoleptic properties. For food manufacturers, it is paramount that both the system and the package used for filling protect the quality of their product, all the more so in the case of water. Gable and Feel Good offer sustainable packaging solutions built around your product. On top of that, we constantly test our systems to guarantee that the integrity and organoleptic properties of the food/beverage inside are maintained throughout the process. Feel Good offers highly specialized consulting services for water and paper cartons, including sensory tests, shelf life validation, packaging testing on machines, regular checks, comparing different packaging/materials for carton water, package recycling. Gable top cartons are fully recyclable sustainable packaging, as they are made of paper, 75%, a renewable material from responsibly managed sources, FSC, polymers and biopolymers, 21%, 100% recyclable and/or renewable materials, aluminium, 4%, 100% recyclable, mostly from certified suppliers complying with environmental and social standards throughout the manufacturing process. More and more businesses use the materials recovered from recycled Gable top cartons to make home and personal hygiene products, as well as gadgets, household accessories, industrial components, and street furniture. Water and paper cartons, Gable support. We manufacture complete packaging lines for carton water. Providing all-round support, working with customers to help them develop their projects, is our top priority. Besides supplying the full machinery for a Gable top packaging line for packaged water, we can make a range of resources available to you. Consultancy on the most adequate plant layout. Dedicated project manager and system integrator for complex projects. Support in choosing your packaging and a relevant supplier. Support during installation. Technical and microbiological consulting on cleaning cycles, tests, as well as general plant management. Microbiological analysis and sensory tests. Interested in packaging water in Gable top cartons? Need more info online and layout requirements? Contact us.